Have you ever visited an Ikea? Those who have been to Ikea are likely to experience the store's enormous maze-like floor plan. It might be puzzling, but friends, you know what? That's deliberate. It's not a grab a thing and get out kind of store. They set up the store in such a way that the customer spends an entire day thinking and dreaming about the rooms they want. The global furniture brand offers a wide range of well-designed functional home furnishing products at low prices so that as many people as possible will be able to afford them. Other than the massive decorated showrooms and mouth-watering meatballs, what's so special about this business? What are the core ideologies of IKEA that turned it into such a dominating force in the furniture industry? Hello and welcome, I'm Bhavya Neeraj. In this episode of The Delight of Wisdom, I will explain the unconventional, nonetheless mind-boggling business strategies of the Swedish furniture giant, IKEA. Please watch this video carefully so that you will understand the maneuvers they use to manipulate you to spend more. Also, if you are a business enthusiast, this video will help you to learn how to apply those strategies in your business to increase profits. So let's get started. This story dates back to the 1940s when a 17-year-old teenager named Ingvar Kamprad in 1943 launched IKEA as a Swedish mail-order business. During that period, well-designed furniture tended to be expensive and as a result out of reach for most. IKEA is well known for putting its customers to work. The founder Ingvar Kamprad introduces the flat packing strategy to massively reduce the cost of shipping and transportation. Unlike conventional furniture stores that sell products pre-assembled, IKEA stores and distributes products in minimalist flat-packed boxes and turns customers into a free workforce. Customers buy furniture in pieces in stores, can get it in their car and assemble it in a DIY fashion at home. Thus, by reducing transportation, assembly and inventory cost, IKEA was able to scale aggressively, locating wherever it had willing customers. The furniture brand now has more than 440 stores worldwide across 50 plus countries, and it has been the world's largest furniture retailer since 2008. But how has this uncommon idea contributed to the company's runaway success? One of the logical explanations is the IKEA effect. What is it? Let's dig deep. The IKEA effect is a cognitive bias in which consumers place a disproportionately high value on products they partially created. Let me bring clarity to this notion by telling you the 1950s cake mixing tale. When instant cake blends were first presented, they didn't sell well. Then after performing a thorough psychological analysis of the consumers, the team came up with the idea of adding fresh eggs, just to make people feel that they were participating enough to not feel guilty about taking a shortcut. So the question is, why does this happen? Because we humans have a psychological need to feel competent. Nobody wishes for feeling foolish or incompetent. Our perceived self-efficacy, that is our beliefs about our abilities to perform well and exert control over our lives, is a vital ingredient of our overall mental health. When we do things like assemble a piece of furniture or bake a cake, it boosts our feeling of self-efficacy. Not only does this give instant gratification, but it also fulfills a deep psychological need. It's as simple as labor leads to love. Another decisive psychological tactic IKEA utilizes to exponentially boost its sales is the decoy effect. A clear understanding of this incredible strategy will help you to double your profit no matter what field you are in. Allow me to exemplify the decoy effect by experimenting together. Imagine you are going to buy soap for your 4-member family. I will offer you 3 options. You tell me which one would you choose. So the choices are: number 1, 1 pack of 8 bathing bars of soap for 510 rupees. Second option, 1 pack of 6 bathing bars of soap and 750 ml of body wash for 985 rupees. And the third one, 1 pack of 8 bathing bars of soap and 750 ml of body wash for 999 rupees. Which one will you choose? I would like to see it in the comment box. My preference is the third option. For me, the second choice seems unsexy when compared to the third one. But what about if I remove the second option? The majority will prefer the first choice, right? So my question is, what is so special about this unnecessary option that made a tremendous difference in our choice? This is because of the decoy effect, a cognitive bias in which people's preferences are influenced by senseless decoy options. It conveys how when we are choosing between two alternatives, the addition of a third, less attractive option, that is the decoy, can influence our perception of the original two choices. One of the best examples of this remarkable strategy is how Apple takes advantage of the decoy effect to upsell its expensive phones. If you have noticed, Apple has a pattern of launching 3 variants in its iPhone series. It keeps the cost of the most pricey variant relatively close to the decoy. For instance, while an iPhone 14 costs 79,900 rupees, a 14 Pro costs 1,29,900 rupees and a 14 Pro Max costs 1,39,900 rupees. The difference in the cost between the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Pro is around rupees 50,000. While the difference between the price of the iPhone Pro and Pro Max is around rupees 10,000. So friends, if someone has decided to pay for an iPhone, why would they not pay an excess 10,000 rupees and get the Pro Max rather? So just by putting in an iPhone that is a little less pricey than the most expensive one, Apple has managed to grow the average price paid by clients. To sum it up, Apple employs this bias to bend your mind into believing you have got a really good deal. Now let's dive deep into Ikea's brilliant execution of this phenomenal effect which contributed to the company's outstanding sales. Consider 3 couches, X, Y and Z. X cost rupees 16,000, Y cost rupees 27,000 and Z cost rupees 30,000. You see, X is an undersized couch with ordinary material. Z is a large couch with premium material and cherry on top, it's a couch bed also. That means it's multifunctional. You can turn it into a bed whenever you want. Then you have got option Y, which is as large as Z and multifunctional but is not made out of premium material. Friends, if we meticulously analyze this strategy, option X is a budget sofa with great value for money. Option Z is a premium product that is large and multifunctional, so extremely worth the cost. And lastly, let's compare decoy Y, which is almost the same price as Z but has no premium quality. So no value for money compared to Z. If you are a premium customer, you will choose Z instead of Y. Obviously, you need a product to last long. This is how the decoy effect plays out. Moreover, the decoy effect makes option X look great for customers with low purchase power. The budget buyers feel that they would have overpaid by choosing option Y, which is expensive when compared to X. Thus, Ikea satisfies both budget customers and premium buyers by offering great value for money with the immaculate execution of the decoy effect. Furthermore, when the budget customer becomes rich tomorrow, he will again choose Ikea, but this time as the premium customer. So friends, that's how the Swedish furniture giant retains its clients, boosts profits and sustains brand value. Ikea's influential ideology of democratic design and lifelong learning culture helps them to maintain a fine equilibrium between profit and brand value. Every time Ikea comes into a country, their team precisely analyzes the culture of the country from the balcony size to the spoon size. This is done to fit into the cultural framework of the country, because it's significant to keep an eye on customers' reactions, customer culture, purchasing power and spending habits while crafting business strategies. Then only an equilibrium can be developed between profit and brand value. Hope you got an obvious idea about the strategies we discussed in the episode. Comment your opinions. If you find this channel informative, please like, share and subscribe. Let's learn and grow together.